Okay, we just got our light tunnel repaired, courtesy of the local TV repairman, which fixed the right side of the television, which had about a 3 or 4 inch opaque black bar on it going from top to bottom. The color looks fine now, but every once in a while we get a nice little buzz, high-pitched, from what looks like the lamp area of the television. A lot of people say that could be the color wheel. However, the color looks fine to us so far. So let's see if we can get the audio of this buzz. See if that picks it up. Anyways, if you turn the TV off, the buzz sound goes away once the lamp turns off. See? No buzz. Turn it back on. It comes back. The lamp isn't turned on yet, but you can hear it. And then the light goes on. Now sometimes you can knock the TV just right like you used to on your old monitors and get the buzz to go away. We'll see if that actually picks up. Okay, I just turned the TV off, let it go all the way off, shut it down, and there's no buzz now. Nice and silent.